Welcome, everyone, to this session on Study Abroad in the Americas. This session is geared towards students who are looking to apply for spring 2022 programs and beyond, as well as students who are just starting to think about study abroad and would like to get more information about the programs we offer. We will begin with a 15-minute presentation to discuss common questions and things to consider as you choose a program, as well as a brief introduction to all the locations where we offer programs in the Americas. Then all UCEAP staff will move into separate breakout rooms divided by country. Please note that some breakout rooms will be covering more than one country. There will be a PowerPoint running on a loop in each room, highlighting the programs in that country or countries. You can choose which breakout room you want to visit to learn more about the programs and to ask questions. You can move between rooms and spend as much or as little time in each room as you choose. Additionally, a UCEAP finance accountant will have their own breakout room, so if you have any finance questions related to programs in the Americas, you can visit that room to talk with them. We know that COVID-19 is on all of your minds, so we want to address that right now. Most spring 2022 programs are scheduled to run at this time, and we are currently accepting applications, so be sure to check with your campus study abroad office for deadlines. We've included a link where you can find more information about COVID-19 and our spring programs. UCEAP's Health, Safety, and Emergency Response Team continues to monitor the impact of the virus and its variants worldwide, and we will inform program applicants and participants as soon as possible of any updates regarding their programs. If you are planning to apply for an upcoming program, due to the current fluidity of the pandemic and worldwide travel regulations, UCEAP recommends that you have a backup plan in place should your program be canceled. We are hopeful that this won't have to be the case for long as worldwide vaccination rollout continues. Let's start by highlighting the benefits of studying abroad through UCEAP, the official study abroad provider for the entire UC system. Our programs are designed specifically for UC students. With programs in over 40 countries, you will find the perfect study abroad program to suit your needs. While on UCEAP, you remain enrolled in your UC campus, which means you do not need to take a leave of absence during your study abroad program, and your UC financial aid goes with you. Additionally, you are guaranteed that all the courses you take abroad will receive UC credit.
In this section, we'd like to dispel some frequent misconceptions about study abroad. We'll also provide you with information to help you consider which program is the best fit for you. Myth 1, you need to know a foreign language to study abroad. Fact, you can take courses in English on most UCEAP programs all over the globe, and many have no foreign language prerequisite. Go to the website to check out the Taught in and Language Prereq section on the program pages for more information. Myth number 2, programs have a limited capacity and are difficult to get into. Fact, most of our programs have plenty of capacity, and as long as you meet the eligibility requirements, you'll be able to participate in the program. Check out the Dates and Eligibility tab on the program pages for more information about each program's eligibility requirements, and check with your campus study abroad office for application deadlines. The breakout rooms following this presentation will include information on program capacity. Myth number 3, you can only study language, history, literature, or similar topics while abroad. Fact, we offer programs in a wide range of subjects and majors, from programs in the sciences and engineering to film and studio art, business and economics, and everything in between. No matter the subject, we will help you find a program abroad to suit your needs. Reach out to your UC Campus Study Abroad advisor to discuss program options. Myth number 4, you must take courses in your major while abroad. Fact, while there are many options for taking courses in your major while abroad, this is not a requirement for many of our study abroad programs. You can find programs to meet your specific needs and interests, whether you want to take courses in your major or minor, take courses to fulfill GE or breadth requirements, or you want to try something new. Each program webpage has an academic section that includes information about courses.
UCEAP has several types of programs available for you to consider. When choosing a program, think about your priorities and what you hope to accomplish while abroad. Please note that some of our programs may fall under more than one of these experience types. On an immersion program, you will be in class with local students and select courses from host university departments. In an international program, you will choose courses from a list designed for study abroad students. You'll learn alongside other international students and make friends from all over the world. In UC curriculum programs, you'll select from a short menu of courses designed specifically for University of California, while also meeting students from across the UC system. Major and themed programs focus on gaining in-depth knowledge of a specific topic or area of study, such as business, psychology, public health, or sustainability. Language programs offer the opportunity for you to concentrate on learning the language and culture of your host country. Multi-site is just like it sounds. You'll visit and study in 2 or more countries and explore unique perspectives at each site. Our research programs and internships programs provide you with hands-on experience that can be applied to your academic and career goals. While research or internships are a built-in component of these experience types, they are also optional components of many of our other programs.
We are now going to briefly highlight the countries where you can study abroad in the Americas. If any locations interest you, visit those country breakout rooms at the end of this presentation to learn more about the programs we offer. Living in Argentina means feeling the pulse of tango, shouting during heart-stopping football matches, and savoring grilled steaks and local wines. Argentina's capital, Buenos Aires, brims with fascinating history on every corner, from its tango halls and nightlife to its museums, theaters, and cafes. UCEAP partners with Torquato Di Tello University, a young institution with a modern urban campus located in a residential neighborhood of the capital city, just steps from plenty of parks and shops.
With a mix of African and British influences, Barbados is a small Caribbean island with a big personality. Often called the jewel of the Caribbean, Barbados boasts white sand beaches, mild weather, and arguably its most famous export, Grammy winner Rihanna. In true tropical island fashion, locals are friendly and welcoming with a laid-back approach to life, except when it comes to cheering on their teams in the most popular national sport, cricket. Whether swimming with the turtles, exploring waterfalls and underground caves, or experiencing authentic Bajan and Caribbean culture, Barbados is a great place to study abroad.
Brazil, South America's largest and most populous country, is known for its effervescent music and dance, rainforests, and delicious food. Most visitors are pleasantly disarmed by the playful and affectionate nature of Brazilians. On either of our 2 programs in Rio de Janeiro, you'll get to know a city that appeals to culture seekers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With breathtaking views all over the city, the largest carnival celebration in the world, and beaches so beautiful they've inspired songs, you'll quickly see why so many of our past students rave about their time here.
Perhaps no other study abroad destination provides more surprises than our neighbor to the north, Canada. We offer programs in 2 distinct locations. Montreal is a charming urban haven teeming with energy. The official language is French, not English, making it easy to forget you're less than an hour's drive from the US-Canadian border. Surrounded by evergreen forests, snow-capped mountains, and the Pacific Ocean, Vancouver offers the perfect balance between bustling city life and the great outdoors.
It's hard to sum up the geographical diversity of Chile. This long, thin country is bookended by the Andes to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. The Atacama Desert, Patagonia, and Chile's wine country are all fantastic areas to explore. Santiago, the capital, is nestled against the Andes and offers an exciting mix of old and new, with colonial architecture interspersed with modern development. Further south, the down-to-earth city of Rica is located on an idyllic lake in the shadow of an active volcano, making it an adventure wonderland. In either location, you'll get to know Chile's inviting culture and rich history, and likely add some distinctly Chilean vocabulary to your Spanish knowledge.
Enjoy pura vida, the simple things in life, with a laid-back and optimistic Costa Rican people. Ticos, as locals are called, are passionate about the natural beauty of their country, and rightly so. Costa Rica is one of the most biodiverse places in the world. In Monteverde, you will find an environment made for nature lovers and conservationists. The area's world-renowned cloud forest is home to breathtaking views and a vast range of wildlife, which attracts biologists and researchers from around the world.
The Dominican Republic is one of the largest and most diverse Caribbean countries. It boasts a rich culture and history, friendly locals, and beautiful coastlines. Surrounded by mountains in the lush Ciabo Valley, Santiago is the second largest city in the country, yet it retains a small town feel. This commercial and cultural hub, about an hour from the coast, has robust restaurant, nightlife, and shopping scenes.
Mexico has so much to offer as a study abroad destination. With a rich history and culture, the country is crawling with ancient ruins and UNESCO World Heritage Sites, as well as mouthwatering food, beautiful landscapes and coastlines, and vibrant cities. Most of our programs are based in Mexico City, the second largest city in the Americas. Its museums and cultural sites rival those of Paris, London, and Rome. Here, all the diverse offerings of Mexico's 31 states converge, making the city a treasure trove of experiences. Other program locations are Chiapas, Puebla, Querétaro, Yucatan, and Oaxaca, including beautiful Puerto Escondido. Each program site affords its own opportunity for exploration.
We hope this presentation has provided you with a starting point on your study abroad journey, and encourage you to explore the UCEAP website for detailed information about program options, finances, health and safety, and more. You should also visit your UC Campus Study Abroad office website for information on application steps and deadlines. Once you have determined which program you are going to apply to, you can start an application by selecting the Apply Now button on the UCEAP website. You can contact the system-wide office for more information. The general email is on this slide. We also offer office hours where you can schedule an appointment to have a video call with an advisor at the system-wide office. The link to make an appointment is in the chat. Thank you for attending this presentation. We will now move on to the breakout rooms portion of this session. Please select a breakout room of your choice to see information about our programs and to ask us questions. Remember, you can always leave a breakout room to head into another of your choice. We will now open the breakout rooms and look forward to seeing you there.